This is how we roll the reef back as we get ready for another session of observing with the McMath. It is on. Circuit breaker 4 is on. 6 is on. 8 is on. Keep that off. Telescope drive. Outside outlets. Keep off, keep off. Red lights. Keep off, keep off. Okay. Next, turn that on. Turn on the hand controller. Now, we unveil the McMath to the world. First thing we do is say to ourselves, how did we do that? You hear that sound?
Mm-hmm.
That is the sound of the drive engaging. So the McMath is now tracking. There we go. All right. This is one of the next things we have to do is take the heat plate off of the mirror. This keeps the mirror from dewing up or, otherwise having issues. It's got to cool to the temperature that's out here. These switches right, these things right here. Pull forward. Notice there's the secondary mirror is right there. The primary, the light path, I'll show you the light path in a second. Okay, so those things keep the mirror. Go ahead and, you've got that mirror. There's our mirror. Go ahead and show that to the people. Let me turn that around. I don't even want to kick. Mirror path. Okay, light hits the main mirror. Bounces into the secondary mirror, which has a cap right there. And then focuses into this tube. The light goes straight through that tube and out into where this eyepiece is. That is how a classic Cassegrain design works. And this is a classic Cassegrain telescope. Gets it closer.
There we go. That's the moon.
So did we say something at this point?
I don't know. I don't know if I'm putting it in the video or not.
You are. Yeah, unless you split this out. So you are looking at one of the mare on the moon. I think you're looking at the mare that is closest to the upper northern limb. If we had been smart enough, we'd put this on a landing site somewhere.